Which one?
The one with the red dot.
Oh, okay. Found it.
Really?
Yup. Do some things.
What do you want me to do?
Something!
I'll text people. What do you want me to do? Well, what can we talk about? Think of something to talk about. Think of something to talk about.
Give out your phone number, because everybody loves you.
No.
I'm not giving out mine, not yet.
I'll put on the little animation.
Who is mine or yours?
Mine.
Why?
Completely miss your belt, I think. I don't know if I can.
You're just like, I'm like closing up on you and everything.
Don't zoom in.
Why?
Cause I hate when you do that.
Jessica, say hi.
No, do not zoom in. Amy. That zoom thing takes forever.
I know.
Yeah, like click it up.